Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of JusChek product. You can see this here. This is for alcohol reduction using a rapid test cassette from the urine sample. You can see that the key contains test cassettes, 25 numbers, droppers 25 and package insert. You can see this here. This is how the box looks like. This is basically for alcohol reduction in the urine samples. See this here. This is how the total box looks like. I'm going to show this around again actually. Yeah. You can see this is a CE certified product and a 25 test kit in test cassettes in this pack, and it is for alcohol rapid test cassette using the urine sample. This is the reference part number, and you can see the lot number, and on a standard you have 2 years of expiry period. You can store in a room temperature. You can see the test cassettes and droppers. Let me unbox this for you. Here you go. Inside the brochure, inside the box, you can see that there is a IFE brochure. You can see this here. It says JusChek Alcohol Rapid Test Cassette Urine. It is a rapid one-step screening test for the qualitative detection of alcohol in human urine for professional in vitro diagnostics use only. You can see this here. This is the IFE brochure, which talks about the key contents inside and how to prepare how to store, how to prepare, what are the direction of use. You can see this here, direction of how to use it and how to interpret the results, limitations of the test. It has a complete details about this product. You can see this here. So let me please see. The inside you can see the 25 test cassettes. Here, let me put one on this side. You can see this here. Okay, you can see this here, this color chart, the JusChek Alcohol Rapid Test Cassette. You can see this alcohol color chart. This is basically used for testing the alcohol content in the urine. You can see it says JusChek Alcohol Rapid Test Cassette Urine, and you have the reference part number and also the lot number and the standard expiry period. You can see the manufactured in the US. This is basically for basically the drug testing rapid test kit from JusChek, made in the US. So quickly to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of JusChek Alcohol Rapid Test Cassette urine based test. This box contains 25 test cassettes and one IFE brochure. This is what you can take a look. Okay, thank you.